Welcome to our new channel. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell button for more videos like this. Today we will show you a new video on Vitamix A2300 Ascent series smart blender. Vitamix fuels passions. It's why we are the brand most trusted by professional chefs. But you won't just find us in restaurant kitchens. You will also find us in home kitchens around the world because whether you are interested in the culinary arts, making healthier choices, or enjoying restaurant quality smoothies at home, when are ready to move on and move up, when you are ready to invest in your passion, you are ready for Vitamix, built to last a bargain blenders, not a bargain if it does not last. We know purchasing a Vitamix blender is an investment, but Vitamix blenders are built to last, helping you buy dependable, not disposable, easy to clean, just blend warm water and a drop of dish soap at your machine's highest speed and watch it self clean in 60 seconds or less. No disassembly required. The difference is in the blend since the number one reason people purchase a blender is to make smoothies. It's important to get them right. Whether you prefer an icy blend or a perfectly smooth puree, nutrition packed with veggies or a light, fruity treat, Vitamix, smoothies give you a delicious even blend in every sip. We don't aim to have the highest horsepower. You don't need more horses, you need trained ones. The focused power of our complete blending system causes every component of the Vitamix machine to work together, creating faster, smoother blends packed with flavor. The universal tool makes smoothies and juices, hot soups, flowers and duff, butter, frozen desserts, batters, dressings and sauces, non-dairy milks, and more. Manufactured in Cleveland, Ohio, USA, do not use your 20-ounce cup or 8-ounce cup to heat ingredients or to blend hot liquids. Heated ingredients and liquid may create internal pressure which could cause the cup to burst. For more information and to buy this product, see the link in the description. Thanks for watching this video.